Hello! So, it's been 11 days since Icon Limited to get back in Manila. And may tao na naman pong hindi nakapagpigil gumastos dahil sa mga PCD. So, a few days ago I uploaded a photo card unboxing, yung genuine photo card ko. And it just turns out, may lumapit na budol sa akin. So, let's unbox! Shit mo ni John eh. Dako naman. Let's unbox. So, first, I want to thank Sarah and Jayok. I ordered this from their, I think it was a decluttering sale. So thank you very much. Boy, how do I want to keep this? It won't have. Let's just tear it apart. Grabe naman yan. Ah! So, I wasn't able to buy this before kasi I was on a tight budget. Tapos nawala na ako ng time bumili after. But, since siya na yung lumapit sa akin, and I was actually tempted bumili nito, no concert pa, nanduman kami sa NCAT, I was asking if meron itong album na to. But sadly wala. Kaya naman pala siya hindi nagpakita sa akin. Kasi, may other way para umuwi siya. Ayoko na magka-PCD, grabe. Mahal. Hindi lang yung concert yung kailangan kong gastusan. No, boy. So, this is Icon's latest album, Take Off. So, it's both the You and the Tantara version. And I got this freebie. This is a free claim to those na bumili sa kanya. So, since I am also a casual listener of this group, I took the chance. Hehehe. Ta-da! It's a treasure. It's J-Yoke's version. It's, the second step, chapter 1. It's J-Yoke's version. Look! Oh, there's a fun one. There's a poster. I didn't know there was a poster. What? Ang gabo naman ng baby na yan. So, this is the CD. Yes, may papatagpagin na naman po tayo. Yep. So, this is the mini photo. Si Jayo. And thank you. Then let's proceed with Icon's album. Now, the problem is, saan ko siya ilalagay? Kasi sikip na yung shelf. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng bagong shelf. Tapos may nahikibahay pang sebong. Char, joke lang. Yung 17 album is sa cousin ko. Since i-renovate yung room niya, kailangan... Oh! Kusa na siyang lumos. Wow! Oh my God, it's so pretty! Hoyo yung mga album ng sinuunay nilang album. Ang ganda talaga na paano niya. Wow! It's so pretty! Tingnan mo naman, oh. Grabe, walang-wala yung album design nila na una. But it's an unsealed album, but it's a complete inclusion. Hindi ko masyadong tanda yung inclusion niya. But let's check. This is the U. This is the Kantara. Yeah, let's open whichever. Let's open this one first. Because I like the blue color better. Let's... Oh. Wow. It's pretty. Ang ganda talaga yung packaging niya. Let's open it. Oh, let's take it. Oh, may kahit tumalan. So this is the CD. Wow. Okay. Then this is the post. Ang cute! Ang cute! Grabe naman! Sino to? Grabe ah! May grabe na naman! Oh! Yung bias record ko ng concert! Grabe naman yan! Ang gwapo, grabe! Nabi ka na tiyan, no? Grabe ang gwapo! And then, the sticker na hindi ko na naman alam saan ko gagamitan. Oh! Kabibili ko lang ng tag. Hindi ko naman alam na siya pa yung kasama. Pero okay lang. Dalawa na yung luggage tag natin ni Jinan. Then, I think was yun yung, if I'm not mistaken, sabing, yeah, sino ka dyan, son yung. Sang yung. Ang ganda talaga ng nila. Inclusion, sino pa dyan? And yeah. Daddy Babe. Yes, Jono, ID passport ni Jono. Dan Zidong you. DK. Baby ka. Gabo talaga, grabe na. Ay, Jone, ba't hindi ka kasama dito? Jone. Aba. So, let's na-open up. Definitive. Grabe ang kapal, oh. Parang compared sa iba nilang album. Uy, sulit na sulit yung picture. Hindi mo naman nabibigyan yan. Ay, Diyos ko yun niya. Si Song Yugyog. Ay, mabay, dong nyo gay. Julia. Agayon. Ang cutie. Ay, sino ka dyan? Grabe yung pinitubok. Salit na salit talaga. Grabe, oh. Ang talas. Diyos ko, Lord. Grabe na kayo, icon. I swear. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda ng album. Let's open the Tantara version. I like the blue color. Oh my god. Ang cute naman ng bebeng bumungad sa monster. Ay, so group photo siya. Hindi siya yung baby ko lazy Liam. Ang cute. Gusto pa siya yung naging sa kwarto. Ang cute talaga. Hmm. Sikip-sikip na naman. So the sticker again. Miyan natin siya tingnan. Doon nakita ko na iba. Ang ganda talaga ng blue color niya. Grabe. Huh. Ah! I'm really confused. Which one is the you? Which one is the Tantara? This one is Tantara, but this is you. I'm confused. Which one is one? May indication ba kung pangalan ng album? Wait na. Ano version? Is this the you? So. Okay, quick flip through. Ang kiyaw. Ang ganda talaga, grabe. Ito na. Is the Tantra. Sa view. Unit watersheds. Okay. My baby. Cutie. Teka lang. Is it? It's the exact same. Photo cards ko. Ay! Yan na siya. Oh my god, I have a complete OT6 set. And this one's yun. Oh my god! Ito na parang kailangan ko para makakompleta ako ng OTs. It's yun yung against. Sayang talaga. Dapat, meron ako rito nung concert. Kasi natatakan sana siya. This is so cute. To all personnel, we kindly request to provide every iconics and position of this passport, the necessary accommodation and protection to ensure their comfort, safety, and supporting of icon. Aw, so cute. So yes, we are done with another unboxing. And so I'm finishing up editing my concert vlog, but I think by next week it'll be done. So I'll see you then. Bye.